Hi, boys and girls. If you choose to complete your activity as a Frayer model this time around, here are the directions on what you're going to need to do to be successful in your task. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the link to the Frayer model template and make a copy of that. And when you make the copy, change the title to be your first and last name, as well as the unit number that you will be completing this time around. There's 5 different templates in the document. For each template, or for each Frayer model, you are going to include the vocabulary word that you'll be defining. You'll type in your definition. You'll add your facts or characteristics to the model, and then give an example and a non-example. I've included some examples, one example perimeter in the PowerPoint or in the Google slide. So you can see this person gave a general definition, and then the facts and characteristics that they used, they gave formulas of different types of shapes to find the perimeter. And then their examples were images as well as the non-examples. But if you notice with the non-example, they also gave a written explanation as to why this open-ended figure is not a good example of finding perimeter. So that's about it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.